positioning. Ow. That's more like it. Oh, come on. Today on Dead Dodge Garage, we go drag racing. Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah.
It's a little thirsty.
Apparently I broke the brake light switch wire, so that's cool. Well, I fixed that quickly, and I made my own clutch down rod bushing out of electrical tape because the rattle's very annoying, so should be better. All right, now it's a party, I think. On the road again, doo-ba-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, road again. Longtime viewers of the channel will know that I've actually been drag racing with this car once before. A few months after I got it, I think. Let's just say my performance was underwhelming. Since then, a lot has changed. For example, we have hats now. But I've also done a lot of seat time in the Demon, and I kind of know how to drive it now. And then I went ahead and yanked the entire drivetrain and put one in that actually works. My best run the first time out with the car was at 9:13. Now, this is 8th mile racing. If you convert that to quarter mile, it's something in the low to mid 14s, which is, you know, I mean, it's not horrible, but I've got a time slip from 1973 that says this car should do 1188. It's always a lot longer drive than I think it is. I even used to live up here. Well, there's a few guys here this time. Just a few. I see a Coronet though, so I think my people are that way. Hey, there's our guy. All right. Yep, I have arrived. Look at these guys. My heroes. Oh yeah. Well, they gave me a number, so I guess it's party time. Well, hello there. And of course, I'm in pretty good company here, so yeah. Well, here we are again. I did bring some safety this time. Running one lane out here currently for some reason. So that's not ideal. It's gonna be a long day. But I am enjoying being surrounded by other classic Mopars. That's kind of cool. There's Jim running in his Camaro. It's hot today. Sticky and gross. Byron says, surprisingly enough, there's no smoke billowing out of the car, so I guess that's good news. It's hanging together. Horsepower is not a problem today, it's traction. Sexy Bigfoot is back! Well, hello there. Can I own you, please? Oh, yeah. Hey, the gas gauge magically fixed itself again. That is excellent news. She got real grumpy about sitting here in the 80 whatever degrees and didn't want to idle anymore, but it came back. So that's good. It's hot. And I'm surrounded by actually fast cars. That's the highest temperature I've ever seen. 170. Fantastic cooling system. E-brake handle's still broken. That's fine. Okay, so for some reason there's a Volkswagen in front of me and a Ford Explorer behind me. I have questions. I'm gonna go for 3,500 RPM launch. See if I can get the car to kind of stick to the track. In fact, maybe I should go 32. We'll see. I'm also gonna try and get some heat in the tires. Must have been oil and fuel. I was a little concerned when it just didn't idle anymore and took 20 seconds of cranking to start. It's fine. Everything's fine. Whoa! All right, now we got 172.
That's a beautiful car.
went slower. Although my reaction time increased slightly. Wait, I mean decreased. I mean improved. I mean it got better. Well, if nothing else, I got to pit next to these guys. You know, those guys driving Coronets with stickers on their cars that say Wagons of Steel. Oh yeah, cool dudes. Thanks to Tim, of course, for saving me a spot. He's currently not here. I think he's doing cool stuff. But that's it for my day of racing. I guess we'll try again next time with a carb spacer. Yeah, I'm a little jealous. Okay, I don't want to hear any complaints, but I probably will anyway. This is my second time at the track. My first run, 373 reaction time, which is not great, but considering it was 600 last time on my good run, well, I'm getting it in the right direction. My second run, I got a 308. This is the run where I just like destroyed the tires for quite a ways, and I still got an 82 mile an hour, which is a lot faster than last year. On this run, I sat in the staging lanes for like, I don't know, an hour, judging by those times, and it boiled fuel really badly. I got it out of the hole, kind of. It was running crappy. It wouldn't idle anymore, and then at like half track, it just ran out of fuel. Hence the lower mile an hour, 73.98. That's still in line with like my best mile an hour from last year, so I don't know. Do with that information what you will. So this is going to be the best thing we got to go on. Reaction time, not the greatest. My 60 foot, 2.4 seconds because it just spun tires like a bastard. And 9:28 at 82 miles an hour. That mile an hour tells me I have a lot more that, you know, I could pick up there. But I didn't. 9:28 is slightly slower than the 9:13, which was my personal best last year. Real bummer just having the one lane going. That's how you end up sitting in the staging lanes for an hour and boiling all the fuel in your carburetor. Still an awesome time. Even a bad day of racing is a good day of racing. I'm happy to be here at Bremerton. Till next time. Hey, if anyone's got a nice tailgate for a dark charcoal metallic 3rd gen, let me know. Oh, air conditioning.
Don't worry, they're gonna just...
Oh yeah, did I mention we have hats? Buy hats. Oh yeah. Good day. Oh yeah. Good stuff. What's the Evel Knievel doing back there? I just remembered I promised I was going to go 850s or break the car. Well, next time I guess. The mile an hour says it's possible. Tim with the Dart Sport ran a similar mile an hour, but, well, over a second faster, so that's all I'm going to say. Oh, one more thing. I want you all to know we would have had drone footage if it weren't for the active airstrip right next to the racetrack. That's kind of a problem.